Welcome. In this video I'll show you how to get Die Hard and Mortis Glove here in slap battles. Alright? First, you and your team need to beat the Dave boss on normal mode. Everyone entering has to complete it or you can't stand hard mode. Once that's done, don't rush back into the portal. Look behind it for a purple skip door, go through, then find the giant pillar, and around the back is a dice. Click it and you've just unlocked hard mode. Now hard mode is brutal. You only get 3 hearts with no regen, and Dave has more health plus stronger attacks. This is where patience is key. Learn his attack patterns, dodge as much as possible, and chip away at his health. It'll take focus, but it's doable if you don't rush. Okay? If you beat him in hard mode, you instantly earn the Die Hard badge. With that, you will also unlock the Mortis Glove. Okay? Mortis looks sick and its abilities are crazy. Every slap charges your Mortis meter, and when it's full, you can transform for a short time, becoming nearly unstoppable with teleport, rock smashes, and special moves like Cool Rock and Awesome Car. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.